If your company has multiple hiring divisions or entities, or if you have many members on your HR team who manage job postings, resumes, and applicants, then iHire's multi-user tools are the perfect solution for you. With these tools, you can add team members to your parent account and track their hiring efforts separately. This eliminates any confusion that may arise from sharing accounts and logins among your various hiring organizations and team members. Let me give you a quick overview of the features available to you. To create your account, it's necessary to assign an organizational admin. This user will have complete control over user permissions and content, including job postings by HR team members. If you have multiple brands or entities, your first step as an organizational admin will be to add your hiring organizations in the company profile section. You can manage all of your organization's details, name, location, logo, URL separately. You'll also be able to choose a specific organization when posting a job. Your next step will be to invite team members to create their own accounts. You can add team members to one or all of your hiring organizations. Once you invite a team member, they'll receive an email with instructions on next steps for accessing their account. We realize that team members may have different hiring roles and responsibilities, and therefore added different permission levels to make it easier to manage your HR team. There's the organizational admin level, the manager for branding elements, manage teams and users, and post jobs. A team member may be assigned a single permission level, all permission levels, or a combination of permission levels. If you have a team member to be exclusively focused on resume search, you can assign a resume search seat to that team member without assigning a permission level. You can assign or unassign job slots to your team members by clicking the plus symbol or the minus symbol next to the team member's name. If a job slot is currently in use for an actively posted job, it can't be unassigned or reassigned. If you have multiple resume search seat licenses, you can assign and unassign those licenses to any member of your team as well. Team members with an assigned seat have full access to our resume database and search tools. Give iHire Multi-User Tools a try to see for yourself how easy it is to find top talent for all of your hiring divisions and stay coordinated with your team. And as always, extra guidance is available in iHire's Help Center or by reaching out to your customer success manager.